Oh, hello. In this part, I'm going to tell you about IaaS migration using the Felix Federated Testbed. So let's get started. Each cake layer represents the structure in the data center. In each data center, there are four different layers: the hardware layer, the administrator layer, the server layer, and the user layer. The actual physical hardware that these layers run on can be considered to be the plate that the cake sits on. In each layer is a virtual machine and must stack in this order. A virtual machine is an emulation or a virtual representation of computer system. The hardware layer is a virtual description of the computer resources that will provide the necessary computational infrastructure to support an administrator layer. The administrator layer is a virtual machine created by the hardware layer. This layer will support the creation of a server layer. The server layer is a server virtual machine that provides virtual storage space and support for the user layer. The user layer is user virtual machine that consists of data and services that are used by various clients. When a natural disaster happens, the data and services from the source data center must be moved to a remote data center, so clients may continue to access business critical information. In order to do this, a remote data center must have the same structure as a source data center. The hardware layer on the remote data center will have the same elements as source data center. During the migration process, the source data center will determine the amount of necessary resources to support the layers at the new data center and complete the entire process. Then provide the space on remote data center. Then the resource data center prepares to move the top layers. Once prepared, the source data center moves to the top layers to the remote data center. Thank you for playing her cakes.